with the blow. She had me blow with the blow. You don't envy if you blow with the blow. She had me blow with the blow.
Alright, great. Good afternoon to you all. It's your finest MCI for you, your number one undisputable MC. The is what you see. It's all about the exclusive show on HYTV, and I'm here with my number one guest. It's today the other one. Today there happens to be two people, great pundits when it comes to entertainment. And I have here with me one great personality. He happens to be a business-minded guy. An undisputable accountant of Ghana now. Currently he bases in US, but he's back to Ghana. So, Chairman Charlie, you are welcome to our show today. It's all about an exclusive show. Charlie, just introduce yourself, Good afternoon. You are welcome to the show. Charlie, you're looking dope. Today. What's the secret?
See, since we are in a new year, things have to move on and things have to change. So, I'm Obo, as you already know. So we are here for today's agenda.
That's great. So you're formally welcome to the studios. Let me go straight to another great personality. Fanboy know the pay.
Yo, Chairman, Chairman. Hey, Chairman, Fruta. My fool, bro. Oh yeah, boy, go up and down, yeah, but I will need ya. Somebody is part of my DNA. You are a feeling bad. Chairman.
Quick one.
Sharp.
So the first story for today, and it said, a branch of a music artist, your friend, Kweku Otin, and yeah, Angel Group, so we Kweku Otin or a gospel artist. No, Kwesi Otin. Yeah, sorry.
You two, they bless me, that guy. Okay.
Yeah. Or starting in Yom Tono, it has been amazing stuff with him. But I remember but recent times, everyone say, well, post it online. Now, I say, I'm happy whenever deductions are made on my Momo transactions where set by Kwesi Otin or supporting 11. What the hell can I go to you nearby? Now, for the moon pense, and I have a soon yet for you.
Whenever Mitia Momo, now so much me day. Wow, I'm there.
So what's in?
I want to be because I feel like I'm contributing something. If money doesn't leave you, how does money come to you? You understand? And so, maybe I want to be there because I feel like I'm contributing something to the country, and it has nothing to do with politics. But the country is so divided such that when you express any opinion that is pro-government, it's because you are an MPP or something. I'm a Ghanaian citizen, and I believed in Akufo-Addo's policy of free SHS in 2020. I believe in a national cathedral. That's what I voted for, not as an MPP, but as a person that believes in the policy.
The national cathedral.
It's some of the things that
pushed you to vote for them.
Yes.
Okay.
And I thought that if they started the initiative, then they need a...
Okay. Oh, Baba, I could share video now. I could share video now, but I'll say that. How did the video go with you? With Kwesi Otin presentation, and I say in the words now. how did you feel when he said this? Said he's happy whenever deduction goes or takes place. That means automatically he's in support of the E11 Parliament Ajatum. Why don't you this
Okay, thank you for this gesture. Say answer now. Me start with a conversation. Me encha eti for kaka. Omo ngusu share de bia edomase. En HYTV workers nyina ane mame. Na answer beba wa asem bi so no. I don't know. Meka say he's trying to be a good citizen.
Okay.
And also a celebrity. People look up to him. The meaning say all the negative side of the government and so because 11 in you know. I feel say maybe you on person because na go for bon echi baby. They not share accept say oh 11 here there. Or feel good say yet if na accounting. But yen say 11 year support it.
Okay.
Because very high.
Sure.
How can I withdraw 100 cedis now to me? 2 cedis 75 pesos. Very high.
Inevitable.
You are saying, I don't know. Minimum agreement or the buyer or Becca say on supporting 11. No. But anka onjin omo supporting on kakra. Ye fans na e di na chi na onjin and so on kakra because a very high. The economy no. The economy na edu extend bia no mama edin. Na yesa beti e 11 we sas kakase we dia. Any fan easy. Nja ko no can be positive FR 11 no man kakra nkebe say anka all the father side. Ti me dem ne nya adwen.
Okay. And then I may go straight to me and cause me a bear masamishia Ghana boy and Kasa.
Yo, chairman.
Yeah, you need to add a question echo kind. Or say he's in support. And he's always happy when there is deduction. Or your transactions will move no mere deductions. Minimum years to know very happy.
Chairman, answer na make asan mi chia metie for ne adofa mo hwe nyina Yakupon shiro bibia say ma koso atran ya hwetie kama. Chairman, one thing is say kwesi otin oni how. The tia make us oni how ne say the guy no I don't know say critically or doing excuse me to say excuse me timemufu omu ni behu ana. Because ono okobo show ba ko a that money na okonya no eyobi get real betimi ade establish business.
Sure.
It's on our casa and Magana for so. But what is here? And Magana for my son is so clear because some no casa 11 is good. Yantiteno. On no posho back one, the money that he gets. Chama de mamia, baby. It's on our can. I quite say, Obiako to Bakoto for 10 CDs. What on them 20 CDs? Why would you know about us? I queer about them. But who say a chicken change? Who call Kotodokuna, maybe Kotodokuna. Maybe a method of 3 CDs. Chinam 2 CDs. That is my highest. Into me say no that kind of 11 na kwano. One can say yeah entity so na no there. Because ono kan on come no say ono gitum say ye mo no but enye magana for. And enye mo bia because who kobosho anya de be ma no is greater and bigger. It can finance someone for 3 months or support someone financially for 3 months. So what is he talking about? He needs to catch say Ghana for the no. Now we guys say 11. Like when you say it through accounting. That means you are supporting the 11.
You know, me, it's either say or try to create some awareness so that the government or the authority can guarantee him or probably give him some ambassadorial signings.
Chairman, where the member kaka, we see your team, for the past 2 years or 3 years, in Kada. Ana 11 so abaya dia obia eka. So no so be ka be send obey gain popularity. Yes, me who say for showbiz. Yes. Or for sober trend.
Sure.
Because
one free system ni
mo. We sort say it in kache. It's dan now the mobile so on wada. And the measure of Obekasa keke say 11 ni ade obi eka wansa. Also be come be na here. Ya guso abon the society ayebo ni bi. And sana me sure.
Strategy.
Yeah.
So we will use a strategy part of pull out.
Make rambe video crack I say 11 na ye wa ultimate Ghana 2. Me hit it. Because me ka IGP won concept.
Okay. So I move on to the next story. The next story says, also DJ Slimming calls out to all media stakeholders to ban Shatta Wale's songs on radio. till he comes out to apologize. Now the Akobani said, Yera Shatawale Odin said, some time back, some few days ago, Ama DJ Slim and other all angel groups, that's on media, on all the stakeholders to advise them or to talk to them, say, I don't plead with them, say, Omumbani Shatawale in the music scene and the songs on mobile any now. My radio station be an TV station be on so about apologizing. Okay. How the concept is.
I'm calling all ABN Angel Broadcasting Network. Me friend phone now. I'll see you Bronzy the Teflon. I know Shatawale is our brother. I love him.
Yeah.
But he needs to come out and apologize on this issue.
I know. I mean, I know how you have a soft spot for Shatawale.
But Shami Kofi.
Yeah.
Sakrama driver. Senior Mechacha when I no pay. Let's call him to order.
I think
if anybody will follow members of, in fact, Kumasi Media Fraternity, my favorite radio stations say Kumasi Nina, everybody should put a ban on Shatawale and his songs until so be pay ababe pacho. Everybody, every radio station in Kumasi, no, don't apologize about Burna Boy. I don't care. I don't care about Burna Boy. I don't know him. I know you, Shatawale.
Yes.
And I know the power that you have, the influence that you have. Yes. Apologize on this rape case.
It wouldn't take anything away from you. It wouldn't take
whether you did whether say rape
yes,
one rape. Mama phone who say rape enya the part.
It's true.
I'm calling all ABN Angel Broadcasting Network. Me friend phone now. I'll see you Bronzy the Teflon. I know Shatawale is our brother. I love him.
Yeah.
But he needs to come out and apologize on this issue.
I know. I mean, I know how you have a soft spot for Shatawale.
But Shami Kofi.
Yeah.
Sakrama driver. Senior Mechacha when I no pay. Let's call him to order.
I think
if anybody will follow members of, in fact, Kumasi Media Fraternity, my favorite radio stations say Kumasi Nina, everybody should put a ban on Shatawale and his songs until so be pay ababe pacho. Everybody, every radio station in Kumasi, no, don't apologize about Burna Boy. I don't care. I don't care about Burna Boy. I don't know him. I know you, Shatawale.
Yes.
And I know the power that you have, the influence that you have. Yes. Apologize on this rape case.
It wouldn't take anything away from you. It wouldn't take
whether you did whether say rape
yes,
one rape. Mama phone who say rape enya the part.
It's true.
So now the Echo PMO Ewo Hono no. Na che say yenua Shatawale ne ho aba asembio. Semesha.
DJ Slim you say one okay tikunu bi on the station so ka say ya. MC Agba bi saw. Then Shatawale aya dem so say mba ni.
I believe say ohun footages no. Footages na
story.
Producer me ba jo fa to obi na on share the way
I'm calling all ABN Angel Broadcasting Network. Me friend phone now. I'll see you Bronzy the Teflon. I know Shatawale is our brother. I love him.
Yeah.
But he needs to come out and apologize on this issue.
Burna Boy.
Burna Boy is a rape.
Yeah.
It's because of our seminal kind.
And it's
almost suspend and as a common body.
I'm very restricted the all kind and on the patch.
It's
Charlie, mami brave na me make man in who story ni. O say before I bet my draw conclusion as my man story. Story ni say Shatawale any Burna Boy nya issue. Twitter no mo have rants Twitter pa. Na on that rant ni ade no. Shatawale can say Burna Boy a rapist. And I want to say, you catch your obi tag a rape, a very strong allegation. And the Osabo only pakro na Burna Boy as a rape. That means Ogu Obano so there. No feel say no prayer. But say no cross, say no cross affected the Bama Obano. So to the megano. So Obi a rape obi now say boss what social media. One a year obi an support Ghana. So now we expect that Shatawale Ebeba be explain either say a true and a false. What do you mean go Twitter catch obi tell you rape is just like that. Debbie, yes sir. And that's how be explain a yampa and a yampa because we all know Shatawale to be a social media person, controversial man. How would we know say they all can not just for fame? And I am pa. And you know, DJ Slim say, the man may apologize. And I don't want to kind. And no Frank Nero, that artist, Ghanaian artist, Kume would act or Kase all a mouth to me part. They want to rapist and to be so. And more Paco, ya repuni. Yes. And just about.
Fact to
Camera out.
That means the points are all making what Twitter is good. But only evidence is only facts.
Because
then it means that rather tarnishing the person's image.
Yes, because ranting in your shoulder for social. Because stigmatization is very strong. Maybe we better check. Obogan, you say Matilda Hepsi. So what is going here? Yes.
Okay, I've been a Matthias and Nasi. DJ Slimmy, maybe I bring the first, not Matthias, then Wale should come and apologize.
Sure. Exactly.
And if you're Wale, Wale, I'm a big fan of you.
Because when it comes to Wale, everybody knows that Wale is Wale.
Yeah.
He's a man of what? The way it's being over drop it's a bombshell word. So I believe that there's time for him to come out and apologize. To make everybody know, say, oh, whatever he's saying, it's wrong.
Yeah.
Because one, say, if the youth are looking up to Shatta Wale, that's a Shatta Wale have been able to go to Twitter to rant like this, and then it means things are getting offside. Things are really getting offside. So whatever DJ Slimmy was saying, he's very right, and he had to put him to what? To order.
Can I come inside?
Come inside, my brother.
Baby, two sentence and a woman. So you need to say about Bioma. Shatta Wale can say since a Burna Boy a rapist, you know. Enunti no Wale a rapist obina eya. Si asem no Wale say since a Burna Boy a rapist, you know. Shatta Wale a rapist obino ono Wale ni rapist obina aye Burna Boy ya. That means Wale so rapist obino no.
Yes, so that one and also crack.
E je horu na ya so me apologize no. Enya Wale ka kire Burna Boy say oye a rapist no. O ka kire say wa rape obi.
So meaning say Wale a rape obi.
Onu so
onu aba be kan out.
Yes, onu so be ka say onu so rape obi.
This is my game players there and say me bro.
Rape case. Ever hard.
I think the way the MC IGP nani.
I know na ka me be ka no me say sa IGP e video we a and be o be video bia he should what he should bring Wale to book because who do my Twitter and social media just like make I what rape obi.
Because Twitter is a global village.
Yes.
Obi crowd and
say me brave. And then stories no do so you're moving on to the next story now. You need to deliberate upon it. Say you bet me I'm moving fast. Now the ababe to your table so and I say ababe to your table so and then he said, hey young kasa, yeah Jamaican artist, dancehall artist, your friend, your pop kind. The whole of this Christmas season, you know, GH.
Oh, okay.
I'll be having a good time on GH for a Jamaican artist like him, a big artist like Pop Kind, to visit Ghana, to have the whole Xmas here, still or enjoy New Year.
Oh, that's so.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Members are basically like 2 to 3 weeks, about Ghana.
Wow.
And he's having a good time. Wow. And I think this is not the first time he coming to Ghana. I think
Otaba.
2 months ago about it.
Wow.
And I was about this time around. So I quite say Ghana being the second time. Now, Yakoba is a Akronphobi. I decided to say no. I'm going to Ghana for any mass. And I'm going to attack a brand here.
Now, baby, we are saying.
At the end of the day, IGP didn't call for more than a putty and call for no try so I'm gunning it down into order. It's a video, Libra.
Ready.
Unknown gangs attempted to shoot Jamaican pop star Popcorn in Ghanaian pub. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Popcorn, who is spending his Christmas vacations in Ghana, was involved in an altercation with unknown gunmen last night in a Ghanaian club in East Legon. According to multiple sources, the alleged attackers of the artist unknown gangs attempted to shoot Jamaican pop star Popcorn in Ghanaian pub. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Popcorn, who is spending his Christmas vacations in Ghana, was involved in an altercation with unknown gunmen last night in a Ghanaian club in East Legon. According to multiple sources, the alleged attackers of the artist.
Minia, so video no.
It's very bad. You see, these are the petty things that we need to arise and talk about it because he coming, he's bringing foreign exchange.
Yes.
We are going to earn revenue through the guy.
But you know, this guy, Mr. Freedom, Cheddar, or your program be, I don't know whether Xmas ni Emma or your branded champagne. Pop kind of toy. You know how much he bought the champagne for? $100,000.
Jesus Christ,
$100,000. Yeah.
I don't know why I said this.
I will be mine so.
Yeah.
Because Pop can the whole African world, people know him very well.
Wow.
Small
It's very bad. It's very, very bad.
It's Lego no.
And yet, Yanum,
Biggest pub in
and yet Yanum Chocoman probably.
No. Any Macron can find the normal. And I am also can find
East Legon for now.
East Legon.
Now East Legon more hardcore you all.
But then one thing is maybe what he said, as he was able to purchase the branded champagne for $100,000, and then the air no suma and for any
boys, yeah, boys in the band.
and the guy is scout home. Young boy so young Koreano. But I believe that Ghanaians, the youth of Ghana, anything all the time no. They say there should be job creation.
Sure.
There should be job creation.
Sure.
Supposing there are work and if there are jobs somewhere, the youth won't go to
MC Ike, my boss, T. Now, there is a saying that you can bath a pig, polish it very well, allow it to go. You see, if the mindset is corrupted, it affects the brain and the brain suffers.
Corruption if you top one.
Chairman. You see, so it's not about you. You create a job for the person. If you don't change the attitude or the mentality of that person, so the person, perhaps the person will follow whatever he wants to do. So, if you don't change the
Parliament one year almost started.
now in pain for Mushem Brahma cry, to check that is it.
So MPB and
wow.
Messi and Obi Mami left. Or you're one of the MP's boys.
Wow.
Obama money and I'll cry him. So Charlie McCoy tomorrow. And a holiday. I'm sure wouldn't say media day for holiday. Just by grace and the managers of the man they have their break. And I'm saying, and then I also Charlie. What is that? You couldn't show one side, Anna.
Wow.
I'm sure.
Kwabrane that story him. Onya baby kura no ada. Egano be.
Just say, and run at you from Obi and Yagan. But oh, couldn't show poly
just like that.
Yeah, they say everyone.
Baku kura be 50 million. Say nantwe baku kura say 30,000.
3,000.
3,000,
4,000.
That's kind of.
Let me don't have plots.
Hey.
Me come to Romania. You see, I know man the way I know my kick out. Say in pay for na isi phone. No man sorry waka. You know my be Jesus.
And yeah, I was saying, yeah.
Nyoma be jinsim.
Seriously.
Cry. After of late now, the IGP, see how Oba and Nyoma turning up or restore Nyoma. And yes, I can Nyoma be jinsim cry.
Oh.
Still listening to HYTV, watching your. We're moving on to the next story. And the next story happens to be American rapper Wale and his crew jumped Black Sheriff second sermon. I'm saying Black Sheriff in the second sermon still like we are trending.
Oh, the guy the force.
Any no. But they actually we are not jamming to the music. They really so I don't pay some they have a cheat show.
Hey! Hey!
Alright, so currently we're back again in the studios. Say that me can the exclusive show now where when you go so mutie so no me wo right now me no mo see dwa and Sementia the double or the triple action of War Bankasa. Yeah. The Stone himself.
Yes.
Right now from mo yeshe.
Check.
What they say. So the single girls out there,
Also,
if you want to enjoy better life, then it's all about the rock man himself. That is Obuoba.
money be dimechi.
I know some do it now. Ghana said when do you
On fa also so nya hwe.
I don't be saying.
Alright, so Sementia.
Chairman, Blacko, the time about. This is the time as I was say or explore because guy know he's forcing. Wa break Konongo guy wa break. Down on me tie ni we be wo UTV. Osha the guy baby was 33 and e kwan wa. Why you baby but sa money yeah. I know they buy and they push you.
Maybe I will go through stress.
Me also for Tisano. It is the guy he has suffered a lot, and where he has gotten to. This is the time I was say Ghana for you so you picture and you because the guy is pushing.
Wale tina manu bebem. Hey, we pesa me tuma wale. Sa wale o baby na o hwe me a. On hwe say ade we fi obo ba ho na eba. Wale we kire say good music what sells and now good music travels. On wade na o ebo no. Anya enum ni keke na ebo. Enum ni ebo wo American rapper Wale na ebo sa enum no. Wonder Wale be ka bibi say ya Wale we or be ka bibi say enum Ghana for enum enko baby na Nigeria for support here. Wale on back on board no Wale ofi on to Nigeria but ko bezi o America to American rappers here edi me kire Wale ya Ghana sata Wale me bo Wale obenya ni munya be
Charles Niama
obe figure say Wale no America sata Wale me mana to say enum so bo nyum papa etukwan ento mo nyum papa no nya rant no social no ka say Nigeria for support here Nigeria for support here
Oba Wale so nyum tukwan
ona tukwan no nya na no pampa no
ne nyum tukwan
One in my two points. Ghana ya producing and the biggest song in Africa. One of the biggest song in Africa. Hey Adonai. Hey Fisa for the old. Make the Wale you may. Wale go for him.
US Wale for him.
For him. They
go to America. Canada. Last time go show Canada. Canada winning you man. Like you not call the guy.
Wale's fans are deceiving him.
Like how?
There's a Ghana for it.
Is it because he creates songs or compose songs for Ghetto Boys?
Ghetto dear boys.
Composing song for Ghetto Boys. But the truth is, Omwane be him the apple. Omwane be Sabrina.
And I still Wale is still raining.
Wait. Hit song back up. Hit song Ben a bit my mommy say Wale 2021 or release here. Mommy Wale hit song back.
Hit song. Wale hit song at 2021. release Michelle. Oh, Sanyu me fi. Oh, Mekai mami.
MCI
So what's a Michelle?
Obi e hit song ala bra go Google.
No, me nye go. Me ref.
Oh,
MCI. Me ref. Come. Where are you?
2021 now open one of the hit songs in Ghana, and I said hit songs that are very popular in Ghana. Ubenya touch it, Ubenya black. Second song.
Woman hit song back to you.
Hit songs.
What hit song where?
You joke proper hit class while the music.
No, make you not talk so. Sefa, make you not. David and Sefa by. Any normal band. Where were you guys?
One statement now you making. Yet statement I'm making is as after 2021. Shatta ne hit songs dey.
One put wabonyu mebre o. Yes wabonyu mebre. Ba only hit. I dey have because enya nyasanyom.
And you say me and the fun, and that's me and the fun. But it's about time Shatta to put his legs down.
Time Wale Abejo girl.
On Jimmy girl Wale.
So why you don't say Wale no get his song?
Because I start to love me making you know to relax. Your big big station. HYT. And they say your cafe. Mommy make it clear. Make it clear. Say Wale any hit song. Me see 2021. The hit song Ben a what? Uti me hit song Wale Abu Amaso Refia.
Me man hit song
Hit song Wale wa.
Machino say he has produced a hit song.
And then I make sure relax. Wale statement on making na me kasa fan.
No.
Wale say too. Wale relax. Wale say Nigeria for en support here. And I make sure say Nigeria ni a Burna Boy. I know any black ebe yeah remix.
Yeah. And then
what I say. And so we can do Nigeria for support here. Sakode and hit songs bebre if Nigeria.
Okay.
Sakode anyway Stonebwoy and the best song and the hit song every Nigeria. Ololo. Only 10. Upa gugu ne kore. It is okay to say Nigeria for support here.
So we are sending a message on Facebook. I say Daniel Ofori Nyanku Jr. Do not friend discipline or a graduate for GIG. I say I see you. The second grade also activated by Stonebwoy was also a hit.
Yeah. No, so Ghana where? Ghanaians, you are hypocrite. Ghanaians know they appreciate people. You know they appreciate people. You Shatta Wale fans.
We have to do our homework well.
Because
we have to do our homework well. That is the truth.
No, you see, one thing is Wale the guy. What Wale will do? Stonebwoy, you know. Do you know why they talk so?
No.
Wale go patrol from where he dey campus Kasua. You make sure say the youth wey dey no. Wale obe make sure say obe chase car.
And
Meba. And you want city? Wale no shower one city.
And no na.
Wale no dey shower one. When was the last time you say Stonebwoy dey share money? When was the last time you see say Stonebwoy dey share money? See.
But I won't make you pointless argument. Yeah, I look at I 1 city, just 10 city gates. Piano, a gate no 10 city bill. Now see on December or your show.
Yeah. 25th.
Stadium. When
everybody.
No. Relax.
Because sorry to say, the fans very much feeling disrespected. The fans will be now sorry to say illiterate.
You the lawyer. Chairman, you the lawyer. Chairman, you the lawyer. You the lawyer. Wale fans, Charlie. Rich niggas want to follow Wale.
Discipline, as I said the story, bro. I say, I beg, no hit song for Wale, only controversy. The next story is prophetess twerks to reggae music in church. Prophetess of Mame Odifo Ba. Otweke.
Efina yaba ni ebi. Enya efina yaba ni.
Reggae song Otweke was sorry. But the video you run about. Ye me pese mu a say na studio high shipa. Patronobi hit song Stone Shared Money went on the streets of Ashaiman when Benny Man came to Ghana. Okay, all right, bro. Okay, so we are back again. So Charlie, video now muhu here no na also for my power to
MCI
chairman.
Efina aba na edi. But ye wade nyina ho kwan. Ena nyina na efataye. So for my no wanya ade. Wanya ade. Because in church, you see, we also for Mamia, people are looking up to you.
Prophetess.
Prophetess Angasa. Odifo ba. Asori negu. Because what kind of legacy or what training are you giving to your people or your members? Saying they are all looking up to you. You are twerking, so they should also go and learn how to twerk. And I'm saying, you see, Ubera Krano is a Stone Boy fan. Ubera no is a Stone Boy fan. Because Shatawale fan bien no be sad way. I'm telling you. SM fan bien no be sad way. No. Boy.
But when him say, what this woman just did, I'm saying the youth of the church were watching, and to preach to such youth, not say oh demonstrate such actor. What are you portraying to the youth? There's one thing that we have to look into. Say, idea oh yeah, no crying so no. And I say yeah, no crying so no. Yeah.
But oh, they are saying.
So on that I saw no board no one suspension. Oh then maybe on the general overseer. Maybe on the general overseer. You just know you are giving now.
MCI, me pacho ma me kasa kakra. First, that make us a prophetess na nyade. But my dinner dey do sisi ya. Ansa na men ken so besi ni tina asini. Na nam di asase aka kire no. De Petru ayde aka kire ka no.
But pacho
no, what we are. Ebiana prophetess or twerking. She's preaching or demonstrating at members. And they say, youth of today, you go to club, you be doing this. And it's not good.
No.
Maybe you should find out. Let's call her your number. Her friend, the not twerking. Ebiana or yeah, she's demonstrating it to what? To set an example and preach about it. Okay. For people to move away from it.
You are also making a point there.
Yes, so we shouldn't get there. I can stand here. You ask me, I'll tell you, say, oh, I'm twerking because I want people to know, say, I can also twerk. And I'm twerking to advise someone, say, this thing when you twerk, it will spoil your waist. If you're a man, you can't do soon saum. You have that is the thing.
Oh, let me go straight.
MCI, make me question. Where was the venue?
I think it was in the church room.
Church room. Yeah. And a reggae.
No, and you
story no tell story.
And you by what's
the reggae song?
Reggae and what is wrong with reggae song?
Relax.
No. What is wrong with reggae song?
Reggae song. That means and yes, oh yeah, bibi so option bibi. He meant it so osa. Oh yeah, twerking. What? Good is all the chance.
I don't support you.
Make us a bonny.
No. You can't see. I can stand here and excuse me to say, I'll remove my dick. Excuse me for my words.
I'll say, how can Osofumame twerk in church? MCI, please invite me to your studio one day and let me face the SM guy.
Uh-huh.
How can he say she is Stoneboy fan?
Because Stoneboy fans the best anyway. See, let me tell you something. Michelle, I didn't know. Because sorry, because here no be keke. No more program na koi. The pastor was preaching. Now members he demonstrated to the members, and they all understood what the man was saying.
So now in a nutshell, no person Chem said.
Oh yeah, demonstration.
So for Drew. I want the panties.
Thank you. We shout.
What say Kawanse?
Do you get it? No, honestly, a demonstration.
No, I have a story for.
Do you get it? So the woman.
I don't think that will be. I don't think that pastor be any slave queen be be or better say any needs no. Some person na koso Ghana. I don't know what come here no. Ojo ka dem say any needs. I don't know any bibi no.
Na who so that?
Because said wedge ni needs ni ba because okono ni anko office. Obi a obo bonnet can hair bonnet. What the other office? You can people are there. Bo of it's a pastor. How can I say?
Were you there?
I'm not there, but no.
You so from Mamino, they should allow her. No one should say
allow it.
Don't boyfriend. See, let me tell you something. The woman, no, Mamicha baby. I'm not making noise. I'm just giving you the actual fact. So from Mamino, they should allow her.
There is no way a Stoneboy fan be inside.
Stoneboy fan will do that.
I just say Shatawale fan.
No Shatta fan. Shatta fan, you need that.
Stoneboy fan say discipline.
Who talk you?
I'll tell you, bro. I'll tell you.
Oh, see you.
Hey.
They are no fan.
No. Maybe some mistake. Stoneboy fans compare.
Stoneboy fan. Anything that Stoneboy fans on Munis Kanu. SM.
I don't know what I am.
I'm a man divert issue.
Shatawale Oscar.
Hey. I mean, see, the woman twerking. Me, I support her with 10 bags of cement. Bam. Or your demonstration.
MCI. I go for anything.
No. Or your demonstration. See, my boss, I can stand here right now. Now, me in Pabua. So, one of Mohammed. Oh, me, who I put your main higher studio. See me, higher studio. Make me in Pabua, they are teaching me.
Okay.
Or you're in court, or you're prophetess. Or you're prophetess.
And prophetess only. And you're going to know. And what is wrong with that?
Right here in the studios of HYTV York FM. What's that here? Let's move on to the last story. The last story, then we're done. Yes, we're done for the day. Now, the European say, Mami Christiana Awuni, Ghanaian Kumawood actress, Christiana Awuni. I say, I have stopped attending church. Pastors wanted to sleep with me. Nani Christiana Ekenyina said, I saw for episode of when any that anything which I sorry call. Until the young interview now, you are being my design of Felix Egrantino. Now, if you only about near the moon pace United, Eddie Abramo. I am also for MCI, now money with chicken come away. You're going to Shambra.
And some brain, Tina Mijaya sorry. Because I'm sorry, I'm quite sorry, Pam. I'm sorry. Baby, for some penyame, me baby, and Yamego, me baby was so, me baby, or cheer, and one cassa. And your baby, I'm not quite because I made ye. Me too quite. May you say, but me baby, and quite cheer, baby, I'm quite cheer. Na baby, I'm a copiano, say, Ube say, Sabe, Ukokra, na so for no crab, pell, say, woman would that Sabe. What I say, so I'm a coin now. My spending me sick of the brain, or Quan Bishop. Ye Tokalanda, ye Tonku, ye Towe Matobi. Na preku starting with trade fair. We can't just a young and then starting. Misika a preku DN. Me come last man.
A preku woman in that. Woman in that. I prefer woman in that.
On the almost I'm making you. Almost I'm making on the pastor, a pastor here. On the pastor, I'm a prequel who got in my minister. Anka nya asem a pastors onipa ko ne beso nyame or beso nyankopon anka mo yesi ese mama ne re afiri asori mu but for disconnecting if asori dem is also nkwa asori biem ade ya okwa no mo tete no ye twa sika say ya kwanche say na ye pe no because a 20 o mama no auto pa on ne to feza mi hu mama no ekom kwa de mi so mi no mekom o ka so mekom na ekom kwa de mi enti se mama we ekwa asori na mu ye ne sia ama na nakoma afiri asori mu ben chese obi pastors omunya ne tsa ba ne nakoma ifiri asori mu enti pastors no mo yesa no mo beja omunya na mama we aka obi aka wo no wa asori dem aka ni munya o a celebrity or mama like not drink the form ka any munyam se oh esi de benam ne so ma se juja na ba ondwi esi anwa mama na trafi oso nkwa asori bi esi anwa na ebebele me no
MCI mama no onye serious mama no onye serious tie wakwa asori na so for say ya kwankyere say ni say for your unim nyame
It's true. It's uncle on fan homa.
Me cast on fan homa. No. See one ka say odi ne ho akoma o.
O say. I sorry we jai because I saw for one person on any da.
I saw for Ben aka so person on any da.
I don't start to make you.
No, see. Bible say enso ahuhu nyina nhwe. What has yeah. It's what kwa sorry way. Na anya ya ko way. O ka say wo ja sorry na watena afia. He Nyankopon abọ wo ban.
Sorry not trafi no so Nyankopon abọ ne be na aba.
Enye project e mani ka say edu tina we ja.
No kwa sorry.
E mani ka say asofufuo ntia.
No kwa sorry to jaya so oni
see about na me can tell. Oba ma sorry now you celebrate it so no a. Me also for I'll be proud of you.
So why are they doing this?
So for anything.
No.
And you know ani David pastor for 14 na ka say me na me ja so.
No.
E me ka say so.
The actions of the pastors.
No.
Me ba do sorry them. No be say me pe. Say oh ewuni me person me no da. Ma ewuni person me waro. Ma ono na wako no akasa de no.
Waka fabra. For evidence bet you say so fu ati ope. The thing is mama na nkasa onye serious. Onye serious.
No. Producer so baby a obi am pacho. Akọ ofi studio amukọ hwe na adwum ka.
Mama na onye serious. Baba so me ka bi cho hwe. Ukọ asori bi mu a o nsem bebre wom. Enso ye den ye yi ni kọ asori ni. So that say ukọ ansori we ye betima kọ asori we. Bo say nsem bebre wa asori ni. Say ni. But yet we do what? We go to that church. We know that we are worshiping God. So we be ultimate true and but wouldn't so
can't I
fine, you can stay in the house and worship God, but don't say because of pastors.
So you people now I'm sorry now what sorry now no more say no. Oh so I realize this no.
Mommy is serious. I'm telling you when you're serious. When you're serious, he's not ready to worship God.
But you station if you makasa no kano. You station if you want. Say on one person now.
I mean on you serious.
Okay, so we had a heated argument about studio and Sisia between Oboba and Sevenshia. Just all because Christiana Winnie about a granted interview with Zion Felix. You're a Zion Felix, yes, #1 blogger of
so for you na
sorry for all because I saw for any that
na so for you na
to fan and about anointing oil. Into we say why fed up and into we just sorry.
Na so for real na hide. Do you know the blessing you get? Do you know the blessing you get? Kit we be na so for real na hide. Or the thing what na hide. And look, see, if you meet or you have an encounter with a man of God, do you know the blessing that you get?
I said, but not in this aspect.
Mami, no, you're serious.
I am red. In fact, next week, yeah, the part 2 of this segment, very ever bro. that is the exclusive show. Our HYTV York FM. And one also for FCI now day. You made ever so more. And then my sister back on the birthday. Yeah. Mary, Tifala Mary. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yankopon and grant all your heart desire. Maybe I will be on Charlie chill, but make sure you don't freeze. What you see? Charlie, remember. Some few words to your families and friends now. I'm sorry you made it so.
All right. Answer na me sorry so no me pese me ka asem kakra bi. Nyame adoma ampaya eja. Eye ochina ya Saturday ya sorry I'm called the Church of Pentecost. Kaswa Amanfrom to be precise. Nyame adoma Amanfrom Central Youth no ye dinner kese pa. Church of Pentecost. Eye ochina ye dinner kese pa. Oh, obetimi aba dinner ndi obetimi aba be dinner. Dinner and a special homecoming. Nti ekwaso Pentecost Kaswa Amanfrom Central. Dinner kese. Ana nyame yadom so a kwesi ade ya nso ye be ya. Pentecost Free Farm Assembly almost omo ye praise and worship kese pa. Ye to sa afre mu nyina mbe ka omo ho na ye nso rade nye. O dinner ne ye mu nyina betimi aba. Dina ndia munyina mombra.
Very sure before I ever because once I open on the card.
No, free entering. It's me. I'm there when you come. Cause all you hear mention. Unya bomb di pen no. Bibia, and I'm saying I'm papa ne mama me the bestie papa. Bestie.
All right, so
okay, if you try it for ne ya phone na. Ana mampa announcement. My name is Q. I'll yeah, organize trip. Yeah. And you will be able to join the on fun operation. Okay. A very nice man because the best friend the night.
Sure. All right, so say the mini Obama or Boba Ekayano. Yeah, organize a trip, a fun trip. It's called Connect Single Fun Trip. I say, organize Connect Singles Fun Trip. Adan and Yamebo date will be communicated soon. And see, you're creating WhatsApp platform. Who bet me out joining WhatsApp platform now when we echo you remember all the latest update. So also join ya. The number in here is 057-9030-598. Just join us. You create your home because it's all for the singles and my single girls wherever you are. Just try your possible best and join your group. So there we are. Come on, grab a share. If you want and they have my day one and my Timfala crew against Timfala crew.